Hello students, in today's video we will discuss one more important reaction of phenol, Kolbe's reaction. This reaction is included in chapter alcohol, phenol and ether. Actually this reaction is important in point of view of exams. Either this reaction is asked directly as a name reaction or in the form of the complete of the following reaction. Means reactants are given and you have to write down the products. What happened in this reaction? First of all, this is phenol, as this is the important reaction of phenol, so phenol will be here as a reactant. First of all, phenol react with the NaOH and form sodium phenoxide. Actually sodium phenoxide is more reactive in comparison to the phenol. So first reaction between the sodium hydroxide and phenol, and here is the release of the water as a side product. In the second step, this sodium phenoxide react with the carbon dioxide and followed by acidification and form OH and COOH as orthoposition. The IUPAC name of this product is orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid, because COH group is superior in the IUPAC nomenclature than OH group, so we will use prefix for the OH group and suffix for the COH group. So ortho, or we can say 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, and common name of this compound is salicylic acid. Common name is more important in comparison to the IUPAC name of this compound, salicylic acid. So in Kolbe reaction the major product is salicylic acid. Okay, if this reaction comes like to complete the following reaction, then you have to give in reaction like this: phenol in first step NaOH and CO2 reaction, followed by acidification. Then what will be the product? So you will write directly OH COH here, means salicylic acid. Many times only product name has been asked in the exams too. So this name is important in point of view of exams. So this is the general reaction of Kolbe reaction. In Kolbe reaction, phenol react with the NaOH and CO2 followed by acidification and form the salicylic acid. Actually mechanism is not included in the NCERT book, but we will discuss mechanism too, because after the mechanism this will be clear to you why COH group is attached to the and how COH group is attached to the ortho position. Why COH group, why this product is major? Ortho product is major here. Why ortho product is major here? Like the Reimer-Tiemann reaction, ortho product is major because of the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. How intramolecular hydrogen bonding is formed here? This is OH phenol group, this is COH group. There is intramolecular hydrogen bonding between the H and O of the phenol and COH group. So because of the intramolecular hydrogen bonding, ortho product is major product here. So in Kolbe reaction and in the Reimer-Tiemann reaction, in both reactions ortho product is major product because of the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, now we will discuss the mechanism of the Kolbe reaction. Actually the mechanism of the Kolbe reaction is almost similar to the Reimer-Tiemann reaction. There is a minor difference from Reimer-Tiemann reaction. First of all, here phenol react with NaOH and form phenoxide ion. As we know, phenoxide ion is more reactive than the phenol, so easily formed in the solution by the removal of the water. H ion from the phenol and OH ion from the sodium hydroxide from the water as a side product. Now what will be happen? As in the phenoxide ion there is a resonance, so partial negative charge will be developed either ortho position or the para position. But as we know, our product will be formed as the ortho position, so we will form only one resonating structure here at the ortho position. As I have already discussed all the resonating structure of phenol in my previous video, electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol. Okay, so here I will discuss only one resonating structure at the ortho position. How it will be formed? First, oxygen will withdraw their lone pair towards the ring, and this double bond will break in this direction, and partial negative charge will be developed on the ortho position. These two bonds remain same, and double bond will be created between the carbon and the oxygen atom. Now CO2 will attack on the ortho position. Why CO2 will attack on the ortho position? Actually CO2 act as an Lewis acid, and Lewis acid are electrophile, and the CO2 is weak electrophile. Weak electrophile means it can easily attack on the positions where the electron density is high, means electrophile, electron loving species. Okay, so it will easily attack on the ortho position. How it will be attacked, we will discuss in the next step. Here double bond, negative charge, double bond O, CO2 will come, and carbon will attach to this carbon atom because of the high electron density, and form a species like this double bond C, double bond O, and one pi bond between any C and O atom will break like this, because carbon will create partial positive charge and will attack easily on this position, and there will be the negative charge on the oxygen atom. So this species will be formed. Now what will be happen? Here we know already hydrogen atom attached to this carbon atom. Now to retain the aromaticity of this ring, this hydrogen atom will lose their bonded pair towards the benzene ring, and next step will be these two bonds remain same, and there will be again double bond, because this bond will break, H plus will be released from here, and again oxygen will retain their negative charge, and C double bond O, as there is a negative charge on oxygen, so this H positive will be attached to this oxygen atom. So COH group will be formed at the ortho position. Now next step is acidification. In the acidification, again phenoxide ion will be converted into phenol, and COH group is ortho position. So this is our product, salicylic acid. So this is all about the mechanism of the Kolbe reaction. I hope this topic is clear to all. Thank you very much for watching the video.